From this to this. Hi, I'm Natalia, 44-year-old mom of 3 with very hooded eyes. When I look straight ahead, my lids disappear and my eyes look tiny. But if I can transform them in 50 minutes without being a makeup artist, you can too. Let me show you how. My secret weapons. First, under eye tape. I apply it following my lower lash line all the way up to the end of my brows. This creates a sharp, clean canvas and helps me extend my lids for that lifted look. Next, eye primer, but not just any primer. Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden. This is a game changer because it not only keeps my oily lids from creasing and smudging, but Eden has full coverage. It covers veins and redness, giving us a bigger, even colored canvas to work with. Here are 2 more secret weapons, Essence Soft Touch Mono Eyeshadow in white matte, and a good brush, Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush. I am using this white matte shade to set that primer, brushing it all over the lid. See how this makes our lid look bigger and longer, we are creating more space to work with. Now for eyeshadow I am using the Nikkie Tutorials palette with very soft blendable shades. I am mixing these 2 shades to create my crease, and this is key, I am placing it higher than my natural crease. With gentle strokes using my Real Techniques blending brush I am blending upward. Look, the difference between my 2 eyes is already visible. With a clean blending brush I am picking up this darker shade and blending it deeper into the crease and outer V. Then back to my first brush to soften all the edges. Now with my finger I'm patting this shimmery champagne shade on my inner corner and a bit toward the middle to brighten and open up the eye. Time for a thin winged eyeliner to lift that lid even more. I'm using a brown eyeliner pen with a felt tip from Primark. It's a dupe for Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner in chocolate brown. I'm following my lower lash line and drawing the line just above the tape. First the wing, then the top line, then filling in the gap. And done. Sharp lifted winged eyeliner. My brows are sparse, thin and not long enough on both sides, so let me quickly fix that. With Revolution Brow Pomade I'm lifting them first, drawing the top higher. Then I extend each side, one side to match the corner of my eye, the other side to match the edge of the tape. Now I'm filling in those sparse areas. Finally setting everything with Essence Brown Mascara to keep them in place all day. Now I'm removing the tapes and cleaning up under my eye. See how clean and sharp everything looks. Time to curl my lashes with my Catrice curler, then Revolution Tubing Wrap Mascara in brown. My lashes are short and sparse, so I'm using gentle swipes, we don't want them to stick together. Quick face time, starting with Catrice Blur Primer for glass-like smooth skin. This smooths fine lines and wrinkles, I even apply it under my eyes. Look how smooth my under eye area looks, no filter at 44. Foundation is Maybelline Lumi Matte in 98. I'm blending with a damp Real Techniques makeup sponge for a natural look. Tapping and dabbing, never dragging across the face. This shade is a bit lighter on me, so I'll warm everything up with bronzer. All cream face products now. Revolution Bronzer. I apply it with my finger, placing it higher on my cheekbones for lift, around the top of my forehead and sides of the nose. Catrice Camouflage Concealer in 10 goes on the inner corner of my eye toward my nose for lift, and right below that eyeliner wing and extending higher to lift the eye even more. I'm blending gently by tapping with my sponge, not dragging. Swirling on cream blush from Primark, this natural pink shade has a great texture. I'm applying it with my cheeks but higher bridge of my nose and a bit of the sides of my forehead. Finishing with cream highlighter from the Essence Polly Pocket collection. Blend everything well with a sponge for a seamless finish. Back to finish the eye look, adding that same eyeshadow to my lower lash line to tie everything together. And cleaning up above my eyebrows with concealer for a sharp, polished look. Lip combo time. First Catrice Lip Plumper in Queen Vibes. It's a bit darker than my natural lip color. I'm using it to outline my lips, then filling in with my discontinued but forever favorite MAC matte lipstick in Please Me. Beautiful pink lip color that completes the look. Setting my face with Guerlain Meteorite Pearls in Clair for a bit of light and glow. Plus Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray with Vitamin C to make everything last all day. And here is the final look. My eyes are lifted and even with my glasses on they look so much more open and bigger. My eyelids look totally different, almost like I had a surgery. If you like this look, follow these steps and you'll get the same lifted, youthful results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.